Zania S. Ali Sports Riding. During the conduct of Division Schools press conference, DSPC dubbed a search for La Norte Turn Stars 2024, held on October 12 and 18, 2024 at Lanao Norte National Comprehensive High School, Baroy, Lanao del Norte. Coach Nornadia M. Mahontawar and the school head, our dynamic school head, Norminda M. Limpao. Ma'am.
Once again, the class valedictorian of batch 2024 and 2025. Congratulations, grade 12 Gas and Youth Awards.
LDR lagi.
Music.